Hello students, so welcome again for another lecture on graphics. Again I have taken the topic that is development of surfaces of solids. This time I have taken a solid that will be a cylinder. As you already know that the development of a cylinder, suppose there will be this is a cylinder, it has two circular bases and this curved surface. The development of a cylinder will be a rectangle. For the lateral part of the development of cylinder will be a rectangle of length 2 pi r into height. So in this particular problem I have taken a cylinder having base diameter 50 mm and height 60 mm. Already I have drawn its top view and front view, and if I want to develop the complete cylinder, then this will be the development of the cylinder. This length from 1 to 1 will be 2 pi r, that is 157 millimeter, and this height will be 60 mm. Again I am using the parallel line development method. As you know that for cylinder we will use parallel line development method because the development will be along these two parallel lines. So this is the development when the complete solid will be given to me. Now I want to develop a cut cylinder. So I am going to cut this cylinder by a section plane, maybe like this. Look at the intersection. I am going to cut it like this from upside. I have taken this angle as 30 degree. So I have cut this cylinder by a section plane 30 degree inclined to this part. Actually not from here, actually I want to cut from this position. So I cut this cylinder from extreme edge, that is the point 7 dash, and I have cut this cylinder by an angle 30 degree. Okay. After that I am going to cut it also by one arc that can be like this. So what I have done, upside I have cut it by 30 degree incline angle, and lower side by taking this 4 dash as center and radius equals to the radius of the base, I have cut it like this, and I want to develop this inside part of my given cylinder. So what we will do, initially we will draw complete development of the complete cylinder 2 pi r, then divide this circle into 12 parts so that you can get the 12 generators in the front view also, and same way divide this 157 mm into 12 equal parts. Now I have started opening the cylinder from extreme corner, so that will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and again back to 1. Already I marked all the generators. Initially use 2H pencil, draw it very light. Now I am going to shift these points into the development. Now again I am not going to mark these points in the figure, just directly I am going to switch. So with the help of parallel lines also you can move, or you can take this distance. So this first one will be on the one line, so that is the point twice I will get, that is a point on the one line. Then next distance, this will be on the 2 and 12. So I can easily mark on 2 and 12. Either you can move parallel or you can use the divider also. Better you have roller scale, so you can draw parallel lines. I am using this divider method. Third distance, this 311. So this point will be on the 3 and same distance will be on 11. Then 410. This will be on 410, so this is 4 and this is 10. Then next will be on 5 and 9, so this will be on 5 and this will be on 9. then 6 8, so on the 6 and on the 8 and finally 7. So in this way I can get all the 12 points, 13 points actually you can say, and you can easily match these lines with the help of straight lines like this, with the help of arc, so with the help of arc you can use this. So this is the upper part. Same for this lower part also. We can shift these points in the development. Initially the points will be on 1, so this is 1 point, 1, then here will be 1 point on the 7, again on the 1, then next will be on 2 12 at the same height on 8 and 6. So this distance will be for 2 and 12, so 2 and 12. The same will be on 6 and 8, so I can mark on 6 and 8. So we got the 4 points. Then next will be on 3 11 and 5 9, same distance. So this is for 3 11 and 5 9. You can easily mark these points, and finally the point will be on 4 and 10. So this way again you will get these 13 points. Now again join them with the help of freehand like this. It can go up and then come down in the same pattern. And now I can darken this part. Now look at the figure. This is the development of the lateral part of this cylinder. I hope you understand this. Draw this in your notebook. Thank you very much.